have a dirty lens here, and KNF Concepts send me this cleaning kit, so let's try it out and see how it is. So you get a couple microfiber cleaning cloths, you get this cleaning pen thing, and then you got your bulb that's a big bulb for blowing. So got my lens here, and you can see it is dusty, so we'll blow off the dust we can. This is actually pretty cool. So it's a brush. If you can see in here, there's some dust that I just haven't been able to get out. So I'm going to see if I can. Oh, yes. Yes, I can. That was way easier than anything I've used in the past. Oh, nice. All right. So I like this thing. Wow, that's a cool brush. Okay. And it's not quite as dusty on the inside, but there is a bit of dust. All right, I tell you what, I am already in love with this brush pen. This is going in my camera bag for sure. Oh, and hey, looks like you can put some solution on this and you could clean. Oh, is that for cleaning the sensor? I bet that's for cleaning the sensor. It says for cleaning on the lens. I probably won't use it on the sensor. Let's check out one of these cloths. Microfiber. Yeah, this is just kind of your standard microfiber, whatever. And looking good, looking good. All right, here are my thoughts. This bulb, this is bigger than the other bulbs I've used in the past. That's always a good thing. I mean, it blows. That's what you want. This pen, I love you, pen. I'm in love with this thing. I don't know what to call it, but this does such a good job getting the dust out of places where it's just hard to get dust out of. I am very much in love with this. Microfiber cloth, that's just normal stuff. Nothing special here. You can get that anywhere. And then this, realistically, I'm probably not going to use it, but it's cool, I guess. Glad I have it. This is a cool cleaning kit just for this thing. Wow, I am a fan.